friends, it's Becky, and I'm going to open up my Beads of the Month subscriptions from Adornable Elements. I subscribe to the 11 Seed Beads of the Month Club, the 2-Hole Beads of the Month Club. I also get the Findings Companion Pack. That's an add-on that you can also purchase. And I've also signed up to receive the it's the rotating beads of the month, and this month my rotating selection is the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club. So every month you can look forward to me opening up the seed beads, the 2-hole beads, and then one of their other clubs that they have. And these are actually they really loved the what are they called? Those sunflower designs that I made last month with that first one that I did. And so they're sending this to me for free. I'm paying for these though, so I'm happy to pay for them. They're really great. But this way we'll be able to see what the other clubs that they have are, because we'll be able to rotate through them. And they also set up a coupon code for my subscribers. If you want to get the same beads that I'm getting, use the coupon code when you sign up. You get 10% off your first subscription, and then they're going to do the best that they can to get you the same beads that I'm opening up on my channel. Whether you do the rotating, the 2-hole, or the 11 seed beads, they're going to try to make sure that you get the same stuff that I'm getting. Anyway, let's open this up and take a look at that. And I love these themes. You've got the Summer Sherbet, Pixie Dust, and Cherry's Jubilee. And you know what's fun about these two is how in the US, like, sherbet is a totally different thing than it is in like Commonwealth countries like the UK or Australia. Because sherbet there is not an ice cream. It's something you put on ice cream. It's like a fizzy powder that's kind of tart. It's a sugar powder, basically, like the same thing that you get in like pixie sticks, which is why like the sherbet plus pixie dust kind of goes together, I think. Anyway, look at these colors. They are some warm, summery colors we've got on this. Now the 11 seed beads you get already packaged in their little guys. You get 8 selections of 11 seed beads. And I'm going to get all of these out in here, and we'll go over all of these colors together. But like, I put this sweater on before I opened this, y'all. It's like exactly this color. So I'm most likely going to be making things that I will be wearing with these seed beads. And then we've got the Pixie Dust theme for our 2-hole beads of the month. Let's get these out of their bag. And these are going to be really fun. So we've got like some piggy beads. We've got some, oh, I love this color of pink. But yeah, there's some super duos. These are some parpukas, I think. Yep, Samos. We'll go into details when we get these open and start looking at them up close. But I love these like hex beads. Love that pink. But yeah, so we've got those. So that's the seed beads and 2-hole beads. And then these are the Hot and Trendy. And the Hot and Trendy is new to me. We'll get all of these out here, and I'm just using an empty paint palette, and I'm going to put some beads in each of these wells so we can bring them up close and look at them right underneath my my guy here. These are so cool. So Cherry's Jubilee, and see, with the Hot and Trendy you get beads that have more than 2 holes, or beads that only have 1 hole but are like a really cool and interesting shape. So this is going to actually make like designing with all of these so much more fun. See, we've got some beads that have 3 holes there. But yeah, it's really kind of cool how they try to make sure that people get the same color selections if they sign up using that code. I don't know very many other bead subscriptions that do that. They're actually, I've been having such a great experience with them customer service wise. Like, I'm really, really pleased that I started doing this. Anyway, let me get these guys into their little sections and I'll be right back. Okay, on our top row, we have our 11 Seed Beads of the Month Club. And we're going to start right here with this one. This is Buttercream Ceylon or Ceylon. I don't know how you pronounce it, but that's what our guy is. Buttercream is the color, Ceylon is the finish. And then our next one right here is an opaque pear with an AB finish. And then we've got matte silver lined dark gold, and I love this color. It's such a warm color. And then we've got a matte transparent light topaz. That's this one right here. After that, we've got dyed salmon silver lined alabaster, and that color is just gorgeous. It's such a lovely like rosy pink, but it's not like a pinky pink. It's more like a red pink. And then we've got the Duracoat silver lined watermelon. That's this one right here. And that one's the one that kind of matches my sweater a little bit. And then we've got some burnt sienna. That's a kind of matte opaque color seed bead. And then this last one on the end is called Magic Wine. And I don't know if you can see like all of the different colors that come in that. That's like really dark red, but then all of these different coating colors on it. Really, really pretty. And now for the 2-hole seed beads. This is the pixie dust one. We're going to start with our light gold matte Samos Parpuka. That's these ones right here. They're an ovally bead with a flat bottom, round top, and 2 holes in the sides. And we've got our half moon. They are crystal AB, and you get 50 pieces of them in this subscription. This was 6 grams of this one. So you've got 50 pieces on this one. And we've got crystal lilac carrier beads. And the carrier beads, you can see they've got 2 holes through the sides. They make really great spacers on like multi-strand projects, or you can do things like cover the outside of them with like a peyote design or something with some delicas. And we've got transparent champagne bar beads. You can get kind of an idea of the shape of those there. And then here we've got matte metallic flax triangle beads. And this is the one that I was like, look at the color of this pink. This is pink laser core honeycomb, and they've got that honeycomb design on the outside that's been lasered onto it. These are such cool beads. I am really excited about them. I am going to make something with them for sure. Then we've got our piggy beads, and piggy beads they're like cup buttons, but the holes are offset. So you've got one that's right in the center of the bead and then one a little over to the side. And I've used these in some designs before because we've gotten them in other bead boxes. And then last but not least, we've got our Opal Rose White Luster Super Duos, and this color screams watermelon to me. This is absolutely the color of a watermelon Jolly Rancher. I love that color. All right, and now for our hot and trendy beads of the month club, we'll come back over here, and we've got bronze fire red Cali beads, and the Cali beads have 3 holes in the sides, but they're iris shaped. And then these ones are a little bit dark. It might be a little hard to see them, but they are matte dark bronze quadrilentals. So they've got 4 holes in the ends of them. Then we've got some bronze fire red bridge beads. And the bridge beads, you can see they've got 3 holes in them. And they've got this really fun shape. We've got some daggers. This is chalk red luster dagger, and they are single hole beads. You can see that 1 hole right there in the end. Then we've got etched terracotta red Rizzo beads. They're like teeny tiny daggers, but they're just little ones. They're baby ones, but they're not the same as mini daggers because they're smaller than that. And then we've got some quadratiles, that's the name of these. Opaque Luster Picasso for that color. Like, there's two of these beads in the Hot and Trendy that have 4 holes, and then two of them that have 3 holes, and then the rest of them are single hole beads. So it's kind of cool that you get like so many different types of beads in this Hot and Trendy mix. And then we've got Chalk Champagne Luster button beads, and these button beads, let me move that over here so you can look at them. They're flat on one side, then they've got a point, and the hole goes through the point. And these, I think, would give a lot of structure in a bead weaving design if you pop that in between some things, just to kind of get things separated correctly. I can see that happening. And then we've got some jet slipperit ginkgo beads. Let me turn that so you can get a better idea of those. It's like a spade shape on that for those ginkgos. So that is the beads of the month. Let's open up our findings kit. And this is just a companion pack that you can purchase alongside any of the beads of the month clubs. So that was the seed beads, 2 hole beads, and Hot and Trendy. So let's open this guy up, see what we've got. So we've got a tiara cast heart ring and quatrefoil link. Oop. All right. Tiara cast heart ring and quatrefoil link, and you get 1 each of those. You've got a swirl button. That's this one right here. You've got rectangle connectors. These guys. Add a bead ribbon pinch bail. Aha. Those are ear wires. So it makes a little ribbon shape, but it is a pinch bail. That's kind of fun. I like that. That's a cool shape for that. Then we've got a magnetic clasp. And it's various shapes on this, so if you get this Findings Companion pick, you might have a different kind of clasp than I do. And then we've got fish hook earrings with a hidden loop, so the little loop is back here on these, and they are 4 of them. So 2 pairs. Put these over here. And then we've got some 8x6mm cones. These are fun ways to terminate like a kumihimo, or I don't know, maybe a different kind of beaded rope design. Doesn't necessarily have to be kumihimo. Or it might be a fun way to do tassels, because the tassels can go up into here and then hang down. So you've got some of those. And then we've got some oval jump rings. These go right here. Some spearhead pins. You have these flattened spear sides. And then we've got some little rubber stoppers that go with the ear wires. All right, so that is the Findings Companion Kit. So this is everything. Seed beads, beads of the month. This is May. 2 hole beads. Hot and Trendy, and that's the Cherries Jubilee. And then our Findings Companion Pack. And I'm just gonna come in for a little close-up so you can see them a little bit better. I will put links to Adornable Elements down in the bottom. And again, if you use my coupon to sign up, then they'll try to sync you up to what I'm getting so that you get the same things. Also, if you are a subscriber, don't forget to go find the free patterns that they have. They give you a URL every month for those free patterns on their website. So they've got a specific URL that you can go to for that. Don't toss out your receipt before you go find those. And I am definitely going to be making some things with this month, so look forward to my tutorials for that. And I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Bye!